Hello guys, are you looking for a great budget 3D printer? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, we are going to look at best budget 3D printers in 2025. Links to the products you can find in the video description. Let's get started. Number 1 on this list is Creality Ender 3v3 SE. The Creality Ender 3v3 SE is a budget-friendly powerhouse perfect for beginners and seasoned 3D printing enthusiasts alike. Featuring a direct drive extruder, it ensures smooth and reliable filament feeding, whether you're printing with PLA, PETG, or flexible filaments like TPU. Its quick auto-leveling system streamlines setup, so you can focus on your projects instead of tinkering. With a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, the Ender 3v3 SE is compact yet spacious enough to handle a wide range of designs. Additionally, the magnetic flexible build plate makes removing prints hassle-free, while its 32-bit silent motherboard ensures quieter operation. Priced affordably, this model maintains Creality's reputation for reliability and performance, making it an excellent option for those looking to dive into 3D printing without breaking the bank. Number 2 on this list is ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro. The ELEGOO Neptune 4 Pro is a standout choice in the budget 3D printer market, offering premium features at an affordable price. This printer is equipped with a direct drive extruder, allowing for consistent and precise filament extrusion, even with flexible materials like TPU. The 400 mm per second high-speed printing capability ensures faster completion of your projects without compromising print quality. Its auto-leveling system ensures a hassle-free setup, while the textured PEI build plate provides excellent adhesion during printing and easy removal of finished prints. With a build volume of 225 by 225 by 265 millimeters, it offers ample space for a variety of designs while maintaining a compact footprint suitable for small workspaces. The Neptune 4 Pro also boasts a 32-bit silent motherboard, ensuring smooth and quiet operation. Combined with features like a filament runout sensor and resume printing function, this printer delivers a reliable and user-friendly experience for beginners and experienced users alike. It's a top contender for those seeking high performance on a budget. Number 3 on this list is Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini Combo is a compact yet powerful 3D printer, perfect for beginners and budget-conscious creators who don't want to compromise on performance. It features automatic bed leveling, a direct drive extruder, and blazing fast 500 mm per second printing speeds, ensuring precise and efficient prints. Its enclosed build area helps maintain temperature consistency, while the removable flexible build plate simplifies print removal. The printer supports multi-material printing, making it ideal for projects requiring versatility. Equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity, filament runout detection, and a resume printing function, it delivers a seamless and hassle-free printing experience. The A1 Mini Combo is a reliable and user-friendly option for hobbyists, students, and makers looking to explore 3D printing. Number 4 on this list is ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 is an outstanding choice for creators seeking high-quality resin printing at an affordable price. With its 4K monochrome LCD screen, this printer offers exceptional detail and precision, making it perfect for miniatures, jewelry, and intricate models. It boasts rapid curing times, significantly speeding up print completion without sacrificing accuracy. The compact design ensures it fits comfortably in small spaces, while the upgraded UV matrix provides uniform light distribution for consistent results. The easy-to-use touchscreen interface and ANYCUBIC's slicer software make setup and operation simple, even for beginners. Affordable and reliable, the Photon Mono 4 is a fantastic entry point into resin 3D printing. And lastly, number 5 on this list is AnkerMake M5C. The AnkerMake M5C is a budget-friendly 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and ease of use, making it ideal for beginners and experienced creators alike. It boasts high-speed printing of up to 500 mm per second, significantly cutting down print times while maintaining exceptional quality. Its sturdy aluminum frame ensures stability and consistent results even during rapid printing. The M5C features an auto-leveling system, streamlining setup and eliminating the hassle of manual calibration. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control and monitor the printer remotely using the AnkerMake app, providing unmatched convenience. The flexible magnetic build plate allows for easy removal of finished prints, while the smart filament sensor detects filament runouts or breaks, pausing the print to prevent errors. Compact yet powerful, the AnkerMake M5C is designed to deliver high performance at an affordable price, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists, students, and anyone seeking reliable 3D printing on a budget. And that's it for this video about best budget 3D printers in 2025. If you liked the video, make sure to press the like button and leave a feedback in the comment section. See you next time.